Looking for the best GetResponse alternatives for affiliate marketers? In this video, we're diving into some powerful tools that could offer you better features, ease of use, or a more tailored experience to grow your affiliate business. Stay tuned because at the end, I'll reveal the software I recommend for affiliate marketers, and it might surprise you. First up, GetResponse is a solid email marketing platform that offers an all-in-one solution with email automation, landing pages, and more. But for affiliate marketers, it's not always the best choice, especially when you need something that helps you scale quickly and effortlessly. So what are the alternatives? The first thing to consider is ConvertKit. It's a big favorite for many affiliate marketers because of its simplicity and ease of use. ConvertKit does a great job at automation, and its email sequences are incredibly intuitive, making it easier for you to manage your campaigns. However, the pricing structure can get pretty steep as you scale, especially if you're running large email lists. While it's great for beginners, you might find the feature set a bit limiting as your needs grow. Next thing, let's talk about Arbor. This one's been around for ages and has built up a strong reputation. It offers robust email marketing features, including automations, newsletters, and even an autoresponder series. It's good for affiliate marketers just starting out. But the user interface can feel outdated, and it's not as sleek as some of the newer tools on the market. Plus, the segmentation options aren't as advanced as those offered by competitors, which might hurt you if you want deeper insights and better targeted campaigns. The third thing to consider is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is often regarded as a more premium option with great marketing automation capabilities. The email personalization is top-notch, which is key for affiliate marketing where you want to connect with different segments of your audience. However, the learning curve is much steeper than platforms like ConvertKit, and if you're just starting out, the interface might be overwhelming. The pricing is also a bit higher compared to other options. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind is MailerLite. It's a newer competitor, but it's been gaining a lot of attention for offering a ton of features at a lower price point. It's easy to use, and you get access to some pretty advanced automation tools, even on the free plan. But as with most budget-friendly tools, the customer support can be hit or miss. If you don't mind troubleshooting issues on your own, MailerLite could be a solid option. But here's where it gets interesting. The software I'm recommending as the best alternative for affiliate marketers is Klaviyo. Why? Because it takes email marketing to the next level with advanced segmentation, personalized automation, and integrations with major e-commerce platforms. If you're looking to grow your affiliate business through targeted, data-driven campaigns, Klaviyo excels. The only downside is that it can be a bit pricey, but for the features it offers, it's definitely worth considering. Now, remember, I've mentioned some amazing alternatives that could work for your affiliate marketing needs, but I've also got something special for you. Through our link, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial of Klaviyo, as well as some additional benefits only available to our viewers. Don't forget, you can still check out other options like ConvertKit, Arbor, and MailerLite to see which one fits your business the best, but Klaviyo really stands out for affiliate marketers who want to scale quickly. So, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, check out the link below for that exclusive free trial and start using the best tools for the job today.